If you want to see how I made this cool Justice League custom t-shirt, then stick around. The materials used in this project are our regular HTV vinyl, a 15 by 15 inch clam press, a 3X Gildan t-shirt, and a Silhouette 2 cutting machine. This design was created using Adobe Illustrator, then imported into Silhouette Design Studio. I have my cut settings set to regular vinyl, blade set to 4, force to 10, speed 7, and make sure your overcut setting is checked. This will give you a cleaner cut at intersecting lines. Make sure your blade is set in your cutting machine, and now you're ready to cut. Many of you have newer Silhouette machines. I like my Cameo too, and it has not let me down yet. So for anyone who is new to making t-shirts and is looking for an inexpensive cutting machine, if you can find one used, then I would grab it up. They're still good machines. I like working with very detailed designs that requires vinyl that is thinner and easier to weave. The vinyl I'm using is from my store inventory. It's very high quality, soft to the touch, and durable. If you want to learn more about the HTV vinyl used in this video, check out the link below. This vinyl works best when your heat press is set to 320. This is a warm or a cold peel vinyl. And there you have it. If you're interested in the materials used in this video, I have added several links below. If you like this video, check out my other videos on my YouTube page, Kustomizeme HTV.